250 plus pounds of fat lard. Oh!
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had...